Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this evening, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. I've already solved the 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. But this will be a number 60709. Here, let me mark this 6079. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. Well, yesterday I've also told you it's an easy one, but seems like a hard one. Anyway, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. I don't know if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always A1. Here single box, there single box. Single box always A1. Do we have here dual boxes? This the next question. Here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in. Do we have more dual boxes here? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information. So need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. The T-shape, let me draw the T-shape here. When you see the T-shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright, the T-shape. Do we have more T-shapes? Yeah, here another one, then there another one. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Alright, then the following shape, figure, structures, constructions. How about the S or the Z construction? Let me draw the Z or the S construction here. When you see the S or the Z construction, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. And in this case, we have a S construction. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, it's a 1. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Wow, it's connected. And this one connected with this one. Okay. Do we have more? Here, another one. And this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More? Nope. Then the following shape. I believe the last shape in this puzzle, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this W area shape. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5. Alright, then. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for number 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then. Let me think. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 then. But we already have a 1 here in this area. So not the solution to place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Alright. It's going to be 2. Well, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. Well, I cannot place a 2 there because we have a 2 here. So no 2 there. If I place the 2 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So here can be a 2. There can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. If I place the 5 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in this same area. So here can be 5. The 5 should be there. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there in this area. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Of course, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 here in this area. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4 in this L-shaped area. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 2 and the 4. Right. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3, 2, 4. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Almost finished. Yeah, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Another new day with new puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.